Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing. And welcome to our YouTube channel. By the way guys, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Katursa, your license real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. Now we have 1.2 hectare or 12,000 square meters at 100 pesos per square meter. So 100 ni guys. So may kupunig 1.2 million. Located here in Barangay Villa Teresita, Ubay, Bohol. So it's a southeast part of Bohol province. Approximately 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City, and it has coconut trees. From town proper, approximately 15 kilometers ni siya guys, because this is already the boundary of Alicia, other town. So mas pabor na ni ang pikas lungsod Alicia, Bohol. And as you can see, the property is very nice. It has a good soil, good for farming. You can plant any kinds of crops. Water is by digging a well, magkalot ra gyud ta. Electricity is available, signal is good, then good neighborhood. There are neighborhood but dili kayo daghan. So this is a very nice listing. See, all are flat terrain. And upland ra gid tanan guys, wala siya ikuan. So it's nice to live in Bohol gyud. Nindot kayo puy-an, mingaw, walay traffic, no traffic, and good neighborhood. So safety, no problem, always safe. Although there are already foreigners nearby buying with a property with their Filipina fiance or wife. Ano na siya guys, ano siya mga foreigner diri dapita. So barato ra kayo, it's 100 pesos per square meter. May goranig 1.2 million pesos. Okay. Yeah, there are coconut trees po. Okay. And along Barangay Road, approximately 2 kilometers from National Highway. Then ang concrete road ani is around 1 kilometer. And ana ra sad mga 1 kilometer sad ang rough road. So improvements, banana trees, several banana trees and coconut trees. For inquiries, just contact me. Thank you.